Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use chia seeds and lemon juice to flatten your belly in roughly a month. Basically, you have your chia seeds here, and let me be showing you what it looks like for those who are not used to using chia seeds. So the seeds are usually tiny like so. A lot of people use them for desserts, salads. They add them in cereal because it contains a lot of dietary fiber. We know that when you consume a lot of dietary fiber, you shed weight from your body because it keeps you feeling full for a long time and you don't consume a lot of other food. This is a tablespoon of the chia seeds. And so is this same tablespoon I added in water. Please, when you want to do this, add it in water first. I've soaked this for about an hour, because when you consume the chia seeds on its own, it can cause like a choking hazard and you don't want to have that. So you have to soak it in water first. It looks more because when you soak chia seeds in water, it kind of like inflates and it becomes like double the size. That is why it's looking much more bigger. So this is what I'm going to do. We're going to blend it all up and have it like a smoothie, because that's like the best way to consume it. So the next thing I'm going to be adding definitely is my lemon juice. If you have fresh lemons at home, it's better for you. If not, you can make do with this kind of lemon juice. This is a lot of lemon that has been concentrated and has been bottled. So this is like my next option when I don't have fresh lemons at home. I practically use this and it works as well. Lemons are good because they don't just aid weight loss, but they are good for our overall health because they contain a lot of vitamin C, vitamins, dietary fibers and minerals. So I'm going to give this a shake. I'll just add a tablespoon of my lemon juice into this. These are the basic components, but I'm just going to add a little bit of natural honey to sweeten it. Not everybody likes the taste that it will give, and since I said it's going to be like a smoothie, the best thing you can add is to give some honey, because this will give some very good natural taste. So I'm going to add some natural honey, and I'll use about a tablespoon as well. So I'll just stir all this together. I'll blend this just the way it is, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the finished mixture or the smoothie. You see, it looks like a smoothie the way it is, and it's very good to drink. Like the way we added the honey made it okay. The taste is very pleasant, and it's just a little bit acidic because of the lemon juice that was added to it. So this is very okay for you to consume. It's not bitter and you just love the taste. Absolutely. So make sure you beat it to a pulp. Make sure that you beat it to a point that you can drink it conveniently. Like I said, if you don't make the chia seeds soft enough, it can pose a choking hazard and you don't want to have that. So basically, make sure it's well blended and well beaten to a point that you can drink it conveniently without it affecting you or anything like that. If you want to drink this, you can drink this 3 times a week for a month, or if you want to have it for as much as like every day, it's absolutely fine. The more you consume it, the more it works better for you. There's a clause, however, because this is a flat belly burning drink, this does not mean you should keep on consuming all your sweet, sugary, starchy foods which naturally give you the very big belly in the first place. You have to be careful when you choose your food options so that you don't consume food that will give you a big belly. This will help to burn the fat on the belly, but you also have to watch whatever you consume or whatever goes into your mouth. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't keep this video to yourself. Kindly share, and if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you in subsequent videos. Bye.